Welcome to the next video in our series. This one is how to format in-text citations in APA style. So you'll use an in-text citation like these with the author's last name and the year of publication. Some key things to note: use page numbers only when doing a direct quote. If there is no author, use the title of the work or the first two words of the title. And this chart can also be found on the CWC Library's webpage under Citation Help. So for quotes, if you're quoting directly from a work, you will need to include the author, year of publication, and the page number for reference. You can introduce the quotation with a signal phrase that includes the author's last name, followed by the publication date in parentheses, like the examples in our first two. If you do not include the author's name in the text of the sentence, place the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number in parentheses after the quotation. In the event that your quote is 40 words or longer, create a freestanding block in the paper that is indented by a half an inch. When you are doing a summary or a paraphrase of an idea from another work, you only have to make reference to the author's last name and the year of publication in your in-text citation. APA guidelines do encourage a page number for a summary or paraphrase when it helps the reader find the information in a longer work. So if you are summarizing a chapter or a specific part of a long text or book, it can be helpful to put in that page number. So it's just things to keep in mind. Also, make sure that you are double checking the requirements that your instructor has laid out. Some instructors might prefer that you put page numbers for all of your citations, regardless of if it's a quote or not. So as always, make sure that we are reading the outline for our assignment. That was awkward. This is a wrap on the overview of in-text citations. Find the next video in our series and information on formatting an APA style paper and its reference page. Thanks. See you next time.